This is a 2008 Ford Mustang. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include an 8-speaker stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.